Welcome to part 2 of our Getting Started series. For this video, we will have a look at setting up custom messages. These custom messages are the messages that will display on your quotes, statements, and invoices. These messages are useful if you want specific details to appear on any of these reports. The process for adding these messages is very similar for each option. Let's first have a look at how to create messages for your invoices. Select Invoice and then Invoice Options. This new page will open up on your screen. Go to the Message on Report tab. Here you will have two options. You can add a message for your normal A4 invoices, and if you have a till slip printer, you have to add the message you wish to display on that one separately over here. These messages will typically show up at the bottom of your invoice reports. The type of information you would normally want to add over here is your bank details, terms and conditions, or your return policy. For our example, I'm just going to add our business bank details over here for our normal A4 invoice. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to select Save and Close. When I open up an invoice, this is how the information will be displayed. Next, let's take a look at how to add custom messages to statements. To do this, you first need to click on Customer, then Customer Options, and then click on the Statement tab. Type in the message you want to display over here under Message on Customer Statement, and when you're finished, click on the Save and Close button. To view one of your statements under the Customer tab, click on Lookup. Right-click on the customer's name, and then select Statement. These statements are usually sent out once a month, but you can change the date range over here should you want to stretch it over a longer or even a shorter period of time. To view this bulk statement, you simply have to select Show Statement. The message we just added will now be displayed over here. Lastly, we are now going to add a message to our quotes. This process is basically identical to that of the invoice. You only need to select Quote/Sales Order, Quote Options, and then Printing. Under Message on Quote Report, you will now add the message that you wish to display at the bottom of your quote. Click Save and Close. And now, if we open up the quote, the information will display as follows. And that's how to set up custom messages for these 3 different reports. Remember, if you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. Our friendly staff is always available to help.